Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. Lots of peacocks here in Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. This is the children's petting zoo or farm area. And see one ahead here with the feathers all out, extended, really cool display. Lots of peacocks in this parking lot. You see this one here, all the feathers quite out. Ooh, a front view, see all the greens and blues, really cool. Uh-oh, it's walking away. It's walking away. This is the peacock parking lot, I suppose. So many out here as this peacock is just extended, thankfully posing for the camera and being friendly with all the feathers out. Really cool opportunity here to see the peacocks just walking off the cruise ship. As we have a center view for it, see all of what look to be eyes inside of the feathers. Now it's turning and walking the other way, blocking the walkway and turning around. See the different colors from the back as it's posing here. See some just going up, some white feathers in the back and the bright colors in the front as it's strutting in this area. This is the children's farm. I see a sign on the side, but of course focus on the peacock for now. It's definitely gotten my attention as coming around here and getting the photo. The other one, but still quite nice looking, off to the side. See those green and eye type designs, and I believe the plumage on top of its head looking like a small hat as it's looking for seeds or maybe something else in the ground. Hopefully the cars are being very careful in this area, going behind the tree. This one you can see some of the feathers extended. It's bobbing its head throughout here, looking at me. Quite a bright view, bright camera. Get a good view of it on this side. Supposedly 50 to 75 peacocks in the park in total. They're out year round and pretty cool. We can zoom in here and get a good shot of it. Ooh, it's shaking. Pretty cool for the cameras. Sounded like a sneeze. It's bright light, but with all the trees, there are shadows, so a little bit harder to get it. You could see the feet here. Looks like 4 toes. And all the colors on the side, like a brownish and black color on the bottom and the blue color at the top by the neck. Really nice opportunity here with all the peacocks. 2 peacocks on this side, one with the really long feathers. Looks like a course of sorts, but they're there. Oh wow, yeah, 2 here, long feathers, and one in the back closer to the statue. This one just brown. I don't see any of the purples or greens. I think it's the male that has all the colorful peacock's tail and the female in the front. This one coming around the center of the statue. Beaks are pretty close, but they're just waiting, looking at me, maybe looking at each other a little bit. We'll take another view of the field, maybe some others about. They're just on this turf of this course here, just hanging out on the outside, as are the many geese. One final look as we come across with the peacocks approaching. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.